All right, so we are going to be drawing out our pumpkins. You will have black oil pastels, and you will have a piece of paper that looks like this. This is important. We want to make sure that our paper is hamburger, not hot dog. We don't want it tall and skinny. We want to make sure that it is hamburger style so that we have a nice big wide pumpkin. So make sure your paper is the correct direction before you get started. Now, we are actually going to create this line in the center of the paper. So I want you to go to about the middle of your paper. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I want you to go to about the middle. And you don't want to go all the way to the top because we're going to be adding a stem. So you want to just leave a little bit of space up at the top, and you're going to come down and you're just going to put a little dot. Okay? Just make sure that we make our line really big. We want it to go all the way down to the bottom of the page. I'm going to do the same thing at the very bottom. I'm going to add a dot. So I'm going to be connecting curved lines to these dots. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a straight line down. Perfect. All right, so we will be doing what's called symmetry. So whatever Miss Rucker does on this side, I will be doing on this side of the pumpkin as well. So now I'm going to go to the dot, and I'm going to make a curved line and connect it to the bottom dot. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to go to the dot, and I'm going to curve and connect to the bottom dot. Same thing on this side, symmetry. And now, depending on how big you want your pumpkin, I think I want mine one more. But depending on how big you want your pumpkin, you can make it as big as you want, but just make sure you leave room to add our leaves. So I think I want mine one more. I want a nice big pumpkin. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Perfect. All right, and then we are going to add our stem. So what you're going to do is you're just going to come to the top of the pumpkin, and we're just going to do 2 lines like that straight off. And that's going to give us a nice, perfect stem right there at the top. All right, now we're going to add our leaves. And in order to make leaves, it's pretty simple because all you're going to do is do 2 curved lines. So I'm going to make a C, like I'm making a backwards C, and a C. Very good. You're going to do the same thing, and you can make these as big as you want. It doesn't matter. Curved line, curved line. Curve, curve. Maybe you want them thinner, maybe you want them thicker. Curve, curve. You can make as many leaves as you want that you have space for. All right, and then we're just going to add like a curved line down the center. Perfect. Perfect. You should have something that looks about like this.